OpsRamp Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. OpsRamp is a net operations management platform, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's just another monitoring tool. The surprising truth is OpsRamp combines infrastructure monitoring, incident management and automation in a single platform, and its pricing reflects this enterprise-level value. Pricing isn't publicly listed, as it depends on infrastructure size, number of devices, and required modules. Entry-level plans for smaller environments typically start around $500 per month, scaling up to tens of thousands for large enterprises. You won't believe the flexibility. You can choose modules for hybrid cloud monitoring, event management, or AI-powered automation, paying only for what you need. Most people get this wrong by comparing OpsRamp to simple monitoring tools. The real value comes from consolidating multiple operations into one platform, reducing downtime, improving efficiency, and providing predictive insights. For many organizations, the cost pays for itself by preventing critical outages or expensive manual labor. In conclusion, OpsRamp pricing is tailored to organizational needs. By understanding device counts, modules, and deployment options, you go from zero to pro in assessing value. It's a powerful solution for businesses seeking centralized, intelligent operations management.